Good morning, Hades. How you doing, bud? Huh? How you doing, pup? What up, everybody? We just got done at the laundromat. Just did a small little load of some clothes and one blanket. Nothing too crazy. Hey, bud, it's okay. They're fine. They're friends. Yeah, so pretty much I'm gonna be going on a camping trip with my boy, Young Static, as you all know. Dana, freaking, he picked up an Element yesterday. So it's gonna be 2 Elements going out camping. I can't wait, and I have to thank Issa for letting Static borrow his Element, bro, his extra Element. So we'll be going up to a Big Basin, Redwood, like area, and I'm just super excited for it. I've filled up my cooler with meat, some beer, and a couple drinks, and I'm here for it, man. I am here for it. I'm ready to go camping. I can't wait to get up there, set up, and just get all comfy. Yeah, let's get this day started, boys. Let's get the day started. Wow! Whoa, whoa, wow! All right, it's just about 1 o'clock, and we are taking off. Got to make a quick stop over to Dana's mom's workplace, and then after that, we will be on the road. Alright, guys, we just got into the park and everything. It is freaking magical. The drive up here was amazing. Super happy about that. I guess we just gotta find our camping spot now. So yeah, this is gonna be fun right now as well. Heck yeah. Alright, guys, so we just parked and we got some bad news. Because of the fires, look at those trees that burnt down. So the camping spots are actually non-existent.
They burnt with it. That's what happened.
Yeah, so
all the campgrounds are over there and it's all blocked off because it's all charred, literally.
yeah, so kind of sad. I'm surprised they even let us buy the tickets. I guess they just turn into day passes now for here. So it is what it is.
So this is where we just whip out our phone and take selfies to know that we actually were here.
Right?
You know, so we were actually out here.
Hey.
Big Basin. dude.
Sheesh. But I mean, overall, I'm pretty happy. I'm happy I'm up here. I've never been up here. It is kind of sad to see all the trees
Well, let me
that
tell
are
you
just
guys
charcoal.
one thing, all you viewers out there, this guy was smashing through the freaking mountain in the elements. And I was behind him trying to keep it up with the downshifts and upshifts with my car.
It reminds me of being in the wagon. The element's just a big wagon, bro.
No, it is.
Oh my. But yeah, it's kind of sad seeing all these like big redwoods just in the charcoal right now. That's pretty upsetting. That air smells good. It's a good smell. All right. Well, looks like we ended up in Santa Cruz because Santa Cruz is always my fallback. I don't fucking know. It's where I feel safe. So, just walking at one of the regular spots that I get to. I believe Dana is going to be reserving a camping spot for us for tomorrow and Saturday night. So that's cool. Yeah, it sucks that the basin burnt down and everything, so that was really rough. But yeah, just trying to make the best out of what we got going on. So, yep. Oh, all right. This is gonna be the night for us. I actually have Dana all set up right next to me tonight. Let's see. Yeah, there's the element he's in. I got Hades tucked in for the night, and I'm gonna upload or mess around with the stuff that I have on this camera right now and try to get it onto here. So wish me luck. Also watching Mav do his van life stuff over in Japan. I've already watched it, but he makes good content, so it's definitely worth watching again. I don't know if this is gonna get uploaded today, tomorrow, or whatnot, but thanks for sticking around still. So everybody who's been commenting, and I'm trying to stay on top of getting back to you guys as quick as possible, so thank you guys. You keep me motivated, honestly. It's great. But yeah, I'm gonna get to editing right now and try to get some magic working with this and this GoPro, see what I could get done. So I will see you guys in the next video. And I think we are actually gonna have a camping spot for tomorrow, so instead of just van life stealth camping out here. All right guys, I'll see ya.